Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Oxygen 9.0.3 Pi OS OnePlus 6 OS in Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. First you need to connect your Asus to USB. Then this is the thing you can unlock bootloader. You need to run this one. Then you need to flash this recovery. 3.2.3 only one work. Other things won't work. Other recoveries. First of all, you need to download this Oxygen 7.7 is a zip and extract it and keep it somewhere. Once extracted, copy to your external storage. You need to extract via PC or lab, then only file will be perfect. Don't extract in mobile. Custom ROM. Anywhere you can keep in your memory card. See, I have already kept it. Anywhere you can keep. You need to install Android USB drivers for your fastboot detection. Then to just run this unlock.cmd here. So I have already connected my phone via USB. So now I am going to do fastboot. For fastboot, just login and power off your mobile. Once done, just press volume up and power button. It will go to fast mode. After that, just go to PC. Press shift to right click. Then press open command window here. Then just type unlock tab. You will get unlock CMD. Just to press it, press enter. Then your bootloader will be unlocked here. So this is the message you will get in mobile. So in screen you will get like this. So once bootloader unlocked, you need to flash recovery. Just again go to fastboot mode. By pressing again for CAC fastboot mode will not come. For just fastboot mode it will come. Plus bootloader is unlocked, so that you can flash recovery. Fast. You need to type this command. Fastboot flash recovery, then the TWRP 3.2.3. You don't install 3.2.2 or 1, you need to install 3.2.3 just to flash it. So recovery is finished. You have already copied your Oxygen OS in this. So for rebooting to recovery, just power off. After that you need to press volume down and power button. For fastboot, volume up and power button. For recovery, you need to download, press volume down and power button. It will automatically go to recovery. Once vibrates, you can leave. Once it boot to recovery, you can just swipe it, go back. You need to place that your downloaded that is a backup file, not a flash zip file. So you need to place in TWRP backup folder and then restore it. So that is, here I have already unzipped and kept it. So what you need to do now, you need to find the backup folder. If you don't find any backup folder, just go to backup, go to backup and take just boot file backup. It will show the path of that data media TWRP backups. This is the backup folder. So you need to place your backup file here. Just go to advanced file manager, go to your path, custom rooms, Asus one, go inside this folder and then press copy. This will copy this folder, content with folder, copy folder. Then you need to go to data media TWRP backups. This is your serial number. You need to go inside this. Then see, move from this to this. Then just swipe to confirm. Copying is happening. Keep your battery charged. Otherwise, if you do it in low battery, partial installation will end up in brick. Mobile will be bricked. So do it carefully. So copying done. Just go back. Just go to wipe. Go advanced wipe. Then select $key system and data. Don't select internal or micro SD. Just to flash it. So formatting, everything done. If you are not able to format, then just go to format data and format it, and then wipe it will automatically wipe. You will get that you no need to use that decrypt file. Just format and wipe, no error will come into wipe it. Then go to restore. Just press 9.0.3. So system boot vendor. Just swipe to restore. It will restore all those things, system, boot and vendor image files. So you need to wait for until it complete. You need to install 2.2, 3.2.3, then only it will work. Don't install any other TWRP recovery. Mobile will get bricked. You need to install which is made for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. I will give it in download link. Still 50% is yeah. See, it's into that backup folder, restoring all those three partitions. So it's a restoring system now. Then it will restore vendor and then boot image. Now restore is completed. To just reboot to system. Do not install TWRP. So here is for OnePlus. So OnePlus was installed. Yes, you need to configure and enjoy OnePlus. Connect to Wi-Fi and I have logged in. You can give face, fingerprint, plus pin, everything. You can add face data as well. Just now I am skipping. Skip. Okay. Just finish it. My mom is shouting to my dog.
This is on install. Thanks for watching.